a Disney princess if you want to book. Check out the link in my bio. Shameless plug. Link in my bio for a travel agency. Oh, we need to check out Star Trader. That's what I forgot. Tomorrowland Speedway, are you people-y? Kind of.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light Cycle Run.
Congratulations, by the way, Sawyer.
And these are two of the best tracks in the cosmos for a bit of light, speedy competition.
Morning, Jim. How are you? And welcome to Tron. Like I said, April 4th. But I think it's AP previews. Yeah, those definitely don't look like cast members anymore.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy N31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles.
Oh wait, no, those are cast members. Engineers. Do the thing.
This is Starboard 75.
Or as the locals call it, Space Mountain. Our high-speed rocket for distant deep space
Thank
messages.
you for the follow, Katie and Jackie. Appreciate you. Welcome to Space Mountain, where it gets a little bit dark and we start answering questions. There's not much left to see. Thank you. Perf? Kit girl? I'm not a travel agent, but I am partnered with one.
Let relaxation
Partnered with a travel agency.
at the most refreshing retreat in the galaxy. The Coral Blue.
How much is the ticket? So many factors involved with that question that just ask a travel agent. Back, my friend.
I think we're in time.
Tusker House and Animal Kingdom is pretty great. Yeah, there's a bunch of factors when it comes to the pricing of tickets, whether you're staying on a Disney resort, which Disney resort, for how long, are you on a package, are you, what time of year are you going, do you have any discounts, are you part of the military, there's a bunch of different factors that come with that question. If you buy it from the front of the park, it's going to be like $150. Is that what everyone else is paying? Probably not. Most people are not buying tickets at the front of the park anymore. Don't do that. Is there a character dining at Epcot?
Mr. John Warner, please contact Mr. Johnson
no.
at the control tower to confirm your flight
There
to
isn't.
the moon. Thank you.
The closest one would be Cape May at Beach Club.
Visitors from Galaxy N31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
Oh, Garden Grill. I always forget about that one. I'm sorry. I forget Garden Grill exists. Definitely not Sunshine Terrace. I know that.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31.
Actors? Wait, Actors? Is it? I don't know if it's open again. It's been closed for so long.
Symbol of interplanetary harmony and fellowship. Hop aboard and launch high above Tomorrowland for a spin amongst the planets.
It is open. I didn't notice. Well, to be fair, we didn't get to see the World Showcase yesterday, so I didn't even notice. Oh, but only for dinner. Okay. Well, then I definitely would never see it open because I'm only here in the morning.
The next
Shit was a huge flirt in Garden Grill.
As usual, we'll keep
There you go, Mackenzie.
and so does the carousel. Like progress itself, this theater
I know there's a lot of people that like
great big beautiful tomorrow.
love Garden Grill. It's probably one of those secret hidden gems that I just have never like experienced. So I've never talked about it and I kind of forget about it. Personally, when I go to Epcot, I'm eating a lot of little things from a lot of places versus sitting down and having like a full dining experience. So like I don't do Garden Grill, like ever. It's good but pricey, yeah. Rather, like personally, I take that money and just buy 10 dishes around the World Showcase.
Space Rangers, report to your star cruiser and join me on this daring space mission against the evil Emperor's Herd.
Affirmative.
Tanner Oil. The only annual pass holder page that I listen to / read for satire is the Facebook one. I don't participate in any of the other annual pass holder stuff because it's straight up mostly a joke. They do a terrible job at moderating their stuff, so it just devolves into chaos all the time. It's great. Yeah, it's only Disney World. Well, in the United States, only Disney World has People Mover. Disneyland does not. So this is gonna be our last time on the People Mover for a while. I get my news from Reddit. Kurt, did I tell you about our my Legoland friend? How when she was doing research on us, two things. One, she's like, "Whoa, you guys are on like Disney." What's she call it? Like Disney, essentially Disney crap talk Reddit, where like people just Disney hate Reddit. We both showed up, but it was both positive. Like, oh yeah, we met Magic Bands and trash cans in Walrus Park in the park. They're super nice. And then like it just like devolved into this long string of people being like, oh my god, yeah, they're amazing. They're like the most underrated TikTokers. Like, I was like, oh, I don't know why it's on that side of Reddit, but whatever. Yeah, I never ride People Mover backwards. It's my one. It's one of my weird things. Same thing with the monorail too. I'd rather stand. Vlog snark. That's what it is. Thanks. I forgot what it was called.
The platform with caution and exit by stepping away from the car. Thank you. Please keep arms, antennae, and other appendages away.
It's a fun, relaxing ride around Tomorrowland. That's it. That's the whole point.
Step onto the moving
That is the ride.
and exit by stepping away.
And if you're wondering if we did get moved, we did. We went from that side of the ring to this side of the ring.
Please keep arms, antennae, and other appendages away from the doors and remain
The most scenic way possible.
automatically. Step onto the moving
Definition of scenic route. Yeah. What's your least favorite month to be in Disney, Florida weather? December, honestly. And ironically, personally, I don't mind the heat as much. Like, I'll complain and stuff about it, of course. I don't like it when one day it's 95 degrees and the next day it's 45. And then after that, it's like 20. That's my least favorite. Arms and other appendages, yeah. All right, let's go check out Star Trader, see if there's any new merch there. And continue about our day. Oh wait, we need to go back to Storybook too. Storybook always has merch. Never come a bit. Yeah, I've been up to New England around that area too, and it's crazy. But yeah, for the entire month of December, it's like that here. Weatherman. So here in Florida, pro tip, if you ever come to Florida and you're using an iPhone or a weather app or whatever, don't read the temperature. Look at the feels like. There's this little thing in Florida called humidity that affects that very greatly. So like real temperature doesn't matter. So like it could be 65 degrees and be broiling hot because it's super humid. And likewise, it could be like 45 degrees and be frigid cold because it's humid. Like, it's crazy. Always look at the